What's up, good people? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're watching us. Kindly welcome to this channel. Today we have an exponential equation to the power x, given that 5 raised to x plus 1 minus 5 raised to x minus 1 should be equals to 72. So I'm going to take you through step by step up to the final solution. In case you're watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe, comment, and like. So straight away onto the solution. So we can start by inspection. Let's say, can x be 0? When x is equals to 0, then this is going to be 5 raised to power 1 minus 1 over 5. This cannot be equals to 72. It is a very small number. Let's say when x is equals to 1, then this changes to 5 raised to 1 plus 1. That is 5 squared, which is 25, minus 1 minus 1 is 0. Anything raised to 0 is 1. So 25 minus 1 cannot be equals to 72. Next, when x is equals to 2, then this becomes 5 to the 3, which is the same as 125. When you take 2 minus 1, you get 5 raised to 2, which is minus 5. You realize this jumps to almost 120, and this one was 24, and we need 72. So it is clearly easy to see that our x, value of x, falls in the range between 1 and 2. So how do we get to this? Let us start step 1. According to the laws of exponents, when you have a raised to m plus n, this can be re-expressed as a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n. And when you have a raised to m minus n, then this can be written as a raised to m divided by a raised to n. So I'm going to apply this on the other end so that I have 5 to the x multiplied by 5 to the 1. Subtract 5 raised to x divided by 5 raised to 1 should give me 72. It looks nice. Next step, I'm going to eliminate this 5 by pre-multiplying across each step by 5. On this other end by 5. On this other end, I'm going to also multiply it by 5. So that my equation now changes to 5 times 5, that is 25, multiplied by 5 raised to x, minus this and this cancels. I'm going to end up with 5 to the x should be equals to 72 multiplied by 5. I'm going to get 360. At this stage, recall, or I'm going to let 5 raised to x be m, so that this equation changes to 25m minus m should give you 360. And then when you get 25, subtract m, you're going to get 24m is equals to 370 or 360. So for me to get m, I'm going to divide all through by 24, so that the value of m becomes 15. Of course, 360 divided by 24, you're going to get 15. So taking 5 raised to x and equating it to m, which is our 15, then we have an exponent again. And for us to eliminate this x, I'm going to introduce the log on both sides of this equation. so that I have x to the log of 5 should be equals to the log of 15. For me to remain with x, I'm going to divide all through by the log 5, so that when I cancel like that, my ultimate final value of x is equals to. So guys, take this opportunity to like this video this far. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs, turn the notification on. So I'm gonna get log 15 divided by the log of 5. Next, I know that log 15 can be separated as the product of 15. I can rewrite it as 5 multiplied by 3. So rearranging, I'm gonna write x is equals to the log of 5 multiplied by 3 divided by the log of 5. And recall, when you have the log of a multiplied by b, then this is just same as taking the addition of log a plus log b, like that. So x now becomes log 5 plus log 3, since the denominator was same. So I'm gonna write all under one log 5, and from this it is very easy to see that this and this gonna cancel, and then I'm gonna get 1 plus the log of 3, and then this can be the base 5 as our final solution for the value of x. So let's try verifying, and before we verify, computing this in our scientific calculator, 1 plus the log of 3 to the base 5, having x is equals to 1.682 60, and so many other values. So we're gonna go ahead and verify this. We had 5 raised to x plus 1 minus 5 raised to x minus 1 should give us 72. So whenever I have x, I'm gonna substitute 1 plus log 3 base 5, so that I have 5. X is the same as this, so when you take this one, add to this one, you're gonna get 2 plus log 3 base 5 minus 5. X is this, and this one gonna subtract, and then I'm gonna end up with log 3 base 5 should give me 72. These powers are added, so I can separate them by pre-multiplying 5 to the 2, add or multiply by 5 raised to log 3 base 5 minus 5 raised to the log 3 base 5. So at this stage, you're gonna be able to see that the base is 5 and this other side base is 5, base is 5, base is 5. This is gonna be dropped and it's gonna remain as 5 to the 2 multiplied by 3. So since the base and the base are same, the answer remains 3 minus this and this, the base drops, and then I'm gonna remain with 3. Of course, 5 to the 2 is 25 multiplied by 3 minus 3. You're gonna see if it's gonna give us 72. 25 times 3, you're gonna get 75 minus 3 should give me 72. And from this other side, it is clearly easy to see that 75 minus 3 is 72, which is equals to 72 on my other left. So thanks for watching, good people, up to this final stage. I hope you have learnt. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's meet in the next one.